Hi, my name is Matt Vincent here with Hope Devices, which is comprised of students from PSU and students from Pretoria, South Africa. In today's world, a lot of people rely on AAC, or augmentative alternative communication, to speak to their friends and loved ones. However, they can't express the emotions that they want to. That is what Hope Devices aims to solve, and specifically with the ALS community. Our project consists of a computer, an Arduino, and a sensor. In our case, 2 sensors to better serve the ALS community. The computer, or the speech-generating device, uses an open-source code called OptiKey. The Arduino tells OptiKey what emotion the user inputted. The user inputs that emotion from either our softpot sensor or our EMG sensor, which my colleagues Lenore and Richard are going to talk about now.
This is a softpot sensor, and it's used for people that have a range of mobility in their fingers. They can press to each part of the sensor to indicate or choose a specific emotion. For example, if somebody would touch the yellow part, it will indicate that this person wants to talk in a happy voice. And if the person chooses the blue one, then it will indicate that the person wants to talk in a sad voice. After typing my sentence in our open source program, this is what I would sound like if I didn't input any emotion from our sensor.
Today I have class in 20 minutes and I don't want to go.
And if I input in emotion with our sensor, this is what I would sound like.
Today I have class in 20 minutes and I don't want to go.
Okay, now I would like to introduce our second sensor, which is muscle sensor. This is also called EMG sensor. This is for people who cannot use the softpot sensor, so user can select their desired emotion by twitching their muscles. This is the muscle sensor. As you can see, I place on my forearm, and how it works is the user places on the muscle group that they want to twitch to indicate their desired emotions. For example, if I twitch 1 time, then it's gonna be happy. If user twitches 2 times, then it's gonna be sad. If there's no twitch, then it's gonna be normal. And now I'm going to select happy emotion by twitching once.
I want to go home.
And now I want to select sad by twitching twice.
I want to go home.
Now that you've seen our project, we'd love to hear from you, and you can contact us at hopedevicespsu@gmail.com. And we'd love to give a big thank you to our sponsor, RERC at PSU, and our advisors, David McNaughton and Godfrey Nazareth.